Hello friends, and welcome to our new video. And in this video we are going to talk about how you can genuinely make some money online in long term. So all those videos which you see in the YouTube or on the internet telling you that you can make cash overnight or within a month or within 10 days or within 2 weeks, uh, that is all crap. So I'm not gonna tell you or say that you are going to get rich or you will start making billions of dollars in 1 year. But yes, if you work hard, if you follow all the practices which I will discuss with you, so yes, in next 8 months, 10 months, you will start getting results. And I'm talking about like 400, 500, or maybe $1,000 per month within 1 year if you follow exactly what I teach you. Now, to start, before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video too. Now, as you can see on the screen, we have this page open, and not to worry, we will leave this link in the description. So all you need to do is open, just click on that link in the description and you will see this page. Now on this page here, it says, warning, do not buy this product if you can't watch this video till the end. Because if you do not have patience to watch this 26 minutes long video, then forget that you will ever make money online. Because it's a 26 minutes long video. Once you click on this link, you will be redirected to this video thing here, and you actually need to play this video and watch the whole video. Then only you can understand the concepts of digital marketing or how to make money online using affiliate marketing, using blogging and things like that. So make sure you watch this video first. That's step one. If you can't watch the video, then you can quit this video too, because without understanding the concepts in these 27 minutes, there's no point you know what to do. So let's say when you are finished watching this video, which is 27 minutes long at least, and then you need to go back to this website after watching the video, and then you need to scroll down here and you need to read everything, because every digital marketer faces these kind of problems, because your Google account must have been suspended at any time in your life. So if you have been running ads using Google accounts, it must have been suspended for sure. Everybody must have faced this issue. Also, if you have run Facebook ads, then your Facebook ads account must have got banned, and then you think, what are you gonna do now? Again, moving forward, your Instagram ads account must have been banned. Your Pinterest account must have been banned if you were using Pinterest. And not to leave the LinkedIn. So at times, if you have used LinkedIn for your business, that account might have been banned too. So these are some common problems which comes while you try to make some money. So I think if you have watched that video, which is 26 minutes long, then you understand that why Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, these are not reliable source of marketing, because you do not have any control over them. They are the big fish, they are the bosses of the internet. So you can't really do anything if they let you use the account or not. So their decision is final. You can't do anything about that. So that's why we mainly focus on starting your own blog, starting your own website, and then we do the SEO for your website and blog in Google and in Bing search. And then you can go through all the theory which we have on this website, on this page. So you will have a better understanding that what we are talking about. Because if you don't know what we're talking about, if you don't know what you need to do, then no matter how much money you invest in, no matter how much videos you watch on the YouTube, you can't do anything. You will not earn even a single dollar. So make sure you go through all these things here, because this is the practical example here. This is how we have been getting clicks and impressions on our website. This is through all SEO. This is all organic traffic. And then again, if you go further down, you can see this is the screenshot from Bing search. So in Bing, we have been getting a lot of clicks. And then lastly, you can see this is the website rating we have. So this is the domain rating of our website. We have these many backlinks. We have these many referring domains from where we're getting the backlinks. So this is how you maintain the profile of your blog, of your website. If you do not have a domain rating, if you do not have backlinks, then your blog is not going to rank as well. So we'll teach you everything in 1 hour consultation. So if you go ahead and check everything, you can actually book your consultation. So first of all, I will recommend to spend time onto this video. So watch this video of 27 minutes long. Once you have a clear picture, then read everything on this page and then decide what you want to do, what is best for you. And not to worry, I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can come to this website and do your own research. And we'll end this video for now. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.